Are you tired of waiting for weeks to get your salary? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 legit apps that pay daily. The best thing about these 5 websites is that no skills needed, no experience needed. The best part of it all, you can do these little works or you can work with just your phone. So if you click this video, I know that you're tired of waiting for your salary for weeks just to get paid. It's time to get that phone, transform it into an income by just spending about 30 minutes of your time, and you'll get paid every single day. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Before that, please ensure that you click that red button that says subscribe, because on this channel we just use our phones to make money at the comfort of our homes. Let's get started with the first app. So the first app is ProtGigs. I'm gonna be writing the spellings here so that you can check it out if you're interested. And of course, I know you're going to check it out because I have tested them, so no need for you to test them. So Sprout Gigs pays you to do simple tasks, for example, signing up on apps, writing short comments, and clicking links. So it's just as simple as that. This app, which is ProtGigs, will pay you just to click on links, sign up on apps, to post short or very short comments. The best part about it is that the pay is $0.10 to $5, and it pays through PayPal or crypto. And the best part I love about it is that it works worldwide. If you're in Kenya or any part of Africa, Asia, all of the countries in the world, it's gonna be working on your phone. So install that app and start earning money. And the best part, you'll get paid each and every single day. The second app or the second website is TimeBucks. TimeBucks pays you to do simple tasks like watching TikTok videos or answering polls. Polls are just like surveys, right? Yeah. And this website pays through Bitcoin or wire transfer. So if you have bank account, then this one is going to work for you, because you're just going to, after signing up, you link your bank account to this website, and that means you're going to be paid through wire transfer, if not Bitcoin. The third website is Rapid Workers. This website is similar to Sprout Gigs, and you get paid to do micro tasks. For example, following someone on social media like Facebook, like Facebook and TikTok. So it's very simple, and so I think Rapid Workers is the easiest of all. You just get paid by following someone. That's really simple, right? And the fourth one is Remote Tasks. Remote Tasks website pays you to do simple tasks like reviewing AI tasks, tag images, transcribing audio, and it pays weekly via PayPal. That means that you're going to get paid once per week or every week after working on this website, which is Remote Tasks. And those tasks that you do in this website are quite easy. Just like reviewing AI tags, transcribing audios, and tag images. That is really, really simple. So if you're tired of being broke and you have a smartphone and internet connection, then I don't know why you're not making money using that phone. The fifth one, and as I said, this website pays you through PayPal. So you have to have a verified PayPal account to be able to receive your payments each and every week. Yeah. So the fifth website is Microworkers, and this will pay you to do small tasks like surveys and all that. And surveys are very simple, guys. I think everyone can do surveys, and that will take you less than 5 minutes for every survey. So that is very simple, and withdrawal minimum is $9, which is very low. I think if you work hard, most of these websites do not pay you a lot of money, but then if you work hard and combine those efforts and those small dollars or cents, at the end of the day, you're going to earn something. And if you want to make more money using these websites, for example, you will not make a living from one website. Why? Because most of them will pay you less than $1 per task. So you cannot tell me that you're going to use one website and be able to pay your bills with the money you're earning from that website. So for you to make um, really good money, you have to combine, like let's say, all the five websites. Do not just depend on one website and say that you're making money online. No, and that's what the rich people do. They do not rely on one source of income. You know, they have this side hustle, they have another side hustle, they have another, maybe another kind of business and all that. So with that, their finances are actually high. So as I said, because here we are talking about websites that will pay you daily for doing small tasks, then please combine the five websites and work on them each and every single day. If you do that at least per day, I'm sure you're not going to lack $5. You're actually going to earn more than $5 using these five website websites. So these are five legit websites that pay you daily. And the best part about it is that you don't have to test them. I have tested them, so you don't have to. They are legit and the pay is real. So if you love the video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you love videos like this, how to make money online using your phone at the comfort of your home, then please hit that subscribe button because we upload money making videos each and every single day. I hope you loved it. See you in my next one.